Hey guys, my name is Steve. I'm a sales manager with EcoTech Windows and Doors. I just wanted to show you a sample of our doors today. We can do doors with a side light, we can do single doors, we can do double doors. They are very high quality, very energy efficient, and very safe and secure. We can do our doors in a wide array of colors. We can do black, we can do yellow, red, orange, blue, whatever suits the style of your home. When it comes to our glass, you're able to do quarter glass, half glass, 3/4 glass, or we can do the whole door in glass if you like. In terms of privacy levels, you can go from a 10 in privacy, which is you can't see through that door, or you can go right up to clear, okay? Depends on what the style is that you're looking for. Our handles, they come in multiple different styles. You can customize the color as well, so that you can keep that look throughout your home. When it comes to our side lights, you can either get a fixed side light or you can opt to do an operational side light. Operational side lights are very helpful if you want to be able to move couches or fridges into your home without having to take the door out of the hole. The way that the operating side light is, you just have to unlock the side light and the whole astragal moves, and it moves right out of your way so that you can easily move items in and out of your house. When it comes to our hinges, we use ball bearing hinges. Ball bearing hinges are the highest quality of hinge that you can use. Very smooth, very long lasting. And also, our doors are made of 24 gauge steel and filled with polyurethane insulation, so they are highly efficient. We add a flex seal to our door so that you're able to stop the light from coming through and make sure that you've got the best possible seal available in the market today. Quality and comfort you can trust and afford. You'll see the difference right away. Go to ecotechwindows.ca.